Hello students, welcome back. So in this video I will take the sign convention of spherical mirrors. Okay, and students, this topic is very important because the numericals which you will solve will be based on sign convention only. So let's start the topic, sign convention. Okay, first of all, let's suppose here I have taken the example of concave mirror. Okay, now suppose this is the direction of incident light ray which will come from the object. Here the position of the object. Okay, so basically the height of the object, that is when the object is above the principal axis. This is the principal axis. So our object above the principal axis, the height is always taken as positive. Okay. Okay, now in case we have got real and inverted image, so the image will be formed below the principal axis. Okay, in this case the height of the image will be taken as negative. Okay, now if we have a case where we will get virtual and erect image, okay, so the position of the image or the distance towards the right of the mirror means if I move like this in this direction, okay, so the distance towards the right is always taken as positive. Next, the distance towards left from the spherical mirror is always taken as negative. Okay, so basically students, इसको आप एक coordinate system से समझो. Like suppose, okay, this is my coordinate system. तो ये x axis और ये y axis. ओके, रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में ये क्या होगा मेरा x नेगेटिव, या इसे x डैश में बोल सकती हूँ, और y के ही सेम रिवर्स में क्या होगा, इसे मैंने दे दिया y डैश. ठीक है, अब जितनी भी डिस्टेंस है, यानी कि मैं ये बात कर रही हूँ द डिस्टेंस टुवर्ड्स राइट मीन्स ऑन दिस एक्सिस, क्या होता है यहाँ पे इस वाले क्वाड्रेंट में सारी वैल्यूज क्या आती हैं, प्लस. यस और नो? सो व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर, द डिस्टेंस टुवर्ड राइट इज ऑलवेज टेकन एज पॉजिटिव. क्लियर? नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट हियर सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, नाउ सी द डिस्टेंस टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट मीन्स दिस. सो इस वाले एक्सिस एक्स डैश या माइनस एक्स एक्सिस पे सारी वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, नेगेटिव. तो ये यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, the distance towards left is always taken as negative. Now if I talk about the height, so height is represented by which axis, y axis, yes or no? Okay, now in second quadrant the sign of y axis is positive, so the height, the object above the principal axis, the height is always taken as positive. Okay, in case of real and inverted images, the images will be formed below the principal axis. Below the principal axis means here in this third quadrant. Now what is the value of y here, negative. So all those heights will be taken as negative which are formed below the principal axis. Okay, so I hope using this coordinate system you would be able to understand the sign convention. Okay, this thing is very important. Okay, now next move to the nomenclature, means how the distance of object, how the distance of image, height of object are being represented. Okay, so here I have marked focus. Suppose this is my object, the height of object is represented by HO. Okay, this is height of image, it is represented by HI. Now if I talk about this first, this is object. So the distance of object from the reflecting surface is called distance of object and it is represented by small u. Okay. Now suppose in this case I have got an real and inverted image. Okay. So if I want to calculate distance of image, so the distance between reflecting surface and the image is known as distance of image and it is represented by small v. We have one more term, that is focal length. So the distance between focus and pole is termed as focal length and it is always represented by small f. Clear? So these are the basic notations which you have to learn. Okay? Now, अब हम डिटेल में साइन कन्वेंशंस देखते हैं स्पेसिफिकली फॉर कॉन्केव मिरर्स. ओके, इन जनरल वी हैव डिस्कस साइन कन्वेंशन ओवर हियर, discussed about the notations U, V, H, O, H, I and F. Now, specially I will discuss for concave mirrors. So before this, what I will do, I will divide this into two parts. Okay, because in concave mirror there are total 6 cases, but among those 6 cases, the 5 cases are for real and inverted image, and only one case is for virtual and erect. So I have divided the cases 5 and 1. Okay, all real and inverted cases I have taken, I have made a group of them. Okay, so these are all 5 cases. Remember? Okay, now based on looking at these 5 ray diagrams, you have to write the sign convention for U, V, F, H, O, H, I. Okay, see, U will be negative for all the cases because object is always placed in front of the mirror. Okay, and that distance is always negative. Focal length is also always negative because focus is also in front of the mirror. Okay, distance of image. Now here image is formed in front of mirror, in front of mirror, in front, same, in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror means real and inverted images we are getting. And what is the axis of here? Distance. Negative x आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो यानी कि distance of image क्या होगी? 5, or for all 5 cases it will be negative. Clear? Now if I talk about height of object, so in all the 5 cases the height of object is always placed above the principal axis. So in all the cases HO will be positive always. Clear? Now height of image. See, here we got image at focus. Okay, point size image होती है. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हम कुछ height consider कर ही नहीं सकते हैं, point size image है. Here you can see below principal axis, below and below. Obviously because this point will meet, we have assumed that these reflected rays will meet at infinity. So infinity पे जब meet करेंगे तो obviously ये reflected rays कहाँ है? Below the principal axis है. तो HI for all these 5 cases we will consider as negative. Clear? Now let's talk about the last case, that is when we get the image as virtual and erect. Now same notation, same sign convention we have to write for this case. U negative, focal length negative. Now we have a change over here. Distance of image is positive because image we are getting behind the mirror. Okay, and this axis comes into plus x. Okay, so therefore we will have distance of image as plus, height of object positive, and one more difference. Height of image, in this case it will be positive because image is formed above the principal axis. Clear? I hope this will be clear, but it is very confusing, so you need to practice a lot. Now next move to sign convention for convex mirror. Okay, अब convex mirror में सिर्फ 2 ही cases हैं. As we have discussed in the last video, there are only 2 cases. Okay, so इसके लिए general sign convention रहेगा because in convex mirror we do not get any real and inverted images. Okay, so U negative because the object is always placed on minus x-axis. Focus, this is the special case here. Focus of convex mirror is what? Positive. Focal length, sorry, F is focal length. Focal length of convex mirror is positive because focus and center of curvature of the convex mirror lie behind the mirror. So what is the distance here? Distance is on plus x-axis. Okay, conceptual question can be asked on this topic. Distance of image positive. Okay, height of object positive above the principal axis, height of image also positive. Clear? So I hope this concept is clear to you. Sign convention, it is very important. Okay, Please do practice, and in the next video I will take mirror formula. Thank you.